We protect the people of the Isle. Be vigilant. They want the Cinder Brew? I propose we let them have it, and then ignite it.
Now hold on! That will reduce my meadery to rubble!
I will see to its repair, Wenbrand. You have my word.
Fine. But if my stock is involved, then so am I.
Excellent. Then we are aligned.
I follow the Council's directives.
On your signal, I'll lure the Nerubians to the Meadery.
And we will prepare a welcome for our guests. What is your query? May the edict